Hey everyone, it's storm season! I'm heading out to Waco, Texas right now. A line of thunderstorms is expected to come through, probably going to bring us some lightning. Not looking great for tornadoes, but you never know. In other news, YouTube cut 2/3 of my revenue. Around March of last year, journalists took screen grabs of advertisements on YouTube next to completely inappropriate content. This started a snowball of offended advertisers leaving YouTube, and YouTube countered by attempting to strengthen algorithms and content detectors and content police and stuff, and my videos got tossed into the advertiser unfriendly bin with all the others. I've been waiting a year for things to turn around, and I've tried some different strategies hoping to deceive the algorithms. I avoided words like destruction, violent, and deadly in the tags, and then if I said anything like that, I went and changed the subtitles. So if I said violent tornado, I changed it to violet tornado, and if I said loss of lives, I changed it to loss of wives. It didn't work. They haven't demonetized my videos, they just drastically cut the revenue on all the storm videos, which is odd because they're also running twice as many ads. Can I get a chicken soft taco? My animal and travel videos earn over 6 times more than my storm chasing videos now, but they only get a fraction of the views. Thank you. But I get it. Advertising is all about association and subliminal messages and brainwashing. So, a shaky camera with screaming and tornadoes and blood and whatnot might not make you hungry for Hungry Jack or chicken soft tacos. House rules. Bam. Unfortunately, the computers aren't able to distinguish my content from the typical brand of natural disaster stuff, and I'm being punished alongside them. So if I'm going to keep the ship afloat, I'm going to have to come up with some new strategies. Maybe I can start focusing on more sensationalized, trending topics. No. I could place an ad every 30 seconds. More ads, more revenue? No, that's way annoying. I could start to weave in some beauty tutorials. What about clickbait? Big UFOs and gigantic animals? People apparently believe and love all that. I got it. What if I souped up my vehicle with some really cool gimmicks? I could jack it up and put some radical graphics on the side, next to my face and on the door. I could put a bathtub in the back, and if I'm ever about to get run over by a tornado, I could get in the bathtub. No, none of that is my style. I just want to keep doing things the way I'm doing it, the way I've always been doing it. And I think the solution is Patreon. With Patreon, fans can support this channel for as little as $1 a month. In turn, it provides me with a platform to give you guys all sorts of fun stuff. Photos and calendars and the music that I compose. Exclusive silly videos shot along the way. We can chat together and swap ideas. I'll be posting when and where I plan to storm chase and whether or not I got anything. That's something I don't do on any other social network. So if this sounds like fun, give my Patreon page a whirl. Till next time, friends, happy trails.